Meaning of dehumanization.
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 Dehumanization. Dehumanization is a process of depriving individuals or groups of their human qualities, reducing them to the level of objects or animals. The result of dehumanization is the loss of dignity, empathy, and respect towards that person or group. It leads to various forms of mistreatment, such as discrimination, violence, and even genocide. Dehumanization is often used as a propaganda tool to convince people that those who belong to certain racial, ethnic, or religious groups are inferior and undeserving of basic human rights. Ultimately, it perpetuates a cycle of hate and intolerance that can have devastating consequences for entire societies.